Hi everybody, here we're going to begin the review for test 1, which is going to cover chapters 0 and 2. Here's our first question. Stars in a constellation are which of the following? So the answer is that they're just in the same part of the sky. So we're going to get more information about why that is, but for now it's just that these stars, when you look at them, they just happen to lie in your line of sight. And because of that, you group them into a pattern. Okay? So here is the related question. So how are stars actually arranged in space? So in reality, you can see it here. Even though from our perspective, looking at the stars, it appears as if they lie, they make a nice regular pattern, but in reality, they're at varying distances from one another. So the stars are actually separated by large distances. It's just from our eyes, it looks as if they're close together just because they just happen to lie in our line of sight. Okay, next question. What is the ecliptic? So the picture is a hint. So the ecliptic is the path that the sun travels in the sky. Okay, next one. So what causes seasons on Earth? What causes Earth seasons? So what causes the seasons is Earth's tilt, and Earth's tilt is constant. It doesn't change. So as the Earth goes around the sun, you can see here as the Earth goes around, the tilt direction always points in the same direction, or the tilt axis always points in the same direction, which is 23 degrees. Next question. What is a path that the sun, the moon, and the planets follow through the constellations called? Okay, so it's again the ecliptic. The ecliptic is involved. It's the path. So it's the path of the sun, the moon, and the planets in the sky. All right, next one. How is it possible that the moon completely blocks the sun during a solar eclipse? And this picture is your hint. So what causes the moon to block the sun is that from our perspective, looking at the sun and the moon, your eyes make an angle, and it just so happens that the sun and the moon both fall on that triangle. so that the tops line up and the bottoms line up. So because of that, it appears to you that the sun and the moon have the same angular diameter. So that and that's what allows the moon to completely block the sun. Okay, next question. Total lunar eclipses occur when? Okay, so total lunar eclipses occur during the full moon, when the moon passes inside the Earth's shadow.